Hi, and welcome to another video by Jimthecarguy. Today I want to show you two new products that came to me by a company that I've dealt with in the past. They sent me some free products before, and it was actually the one that they sent me. You saw me do a torture test on it. You saw me throw it in a bucket of water, and it pretty much throwing it like 20-30 feet in the air, and it never even blinked. It actually worked perfectly. Well, I've had that light now for probably 6 months, and it's worked perfectly without a problem. Every night I take my dog for a walk, my dogs, two dogs. When I take my dogs for a walk, I take that light with me, and it works perfectly. You can definitely light up the path for sure. Now, I will put a link in the video, either up on the top or down below, that you can go and take a look at that light and see the torture test that I put it through. But it actually performed just the way it was supposed to. It was all made of metal, not like the stuff today you buy is made of plastic. And again, I will put the link up or down, and you can take a look at it. It's called it's Olight Warrior X Pro Rechargeable Flashlight, and that's the one I did the review on. Well, they sent me two other things today, and I'm going to talk about this one first, and then we're going to talk about this one as well. All right, this one is actually, I'm going to read exactly what it says, and I will read it from their website, what exactly it does. This is actually, it's a light, a small light like this, and it's actually 55 lumens. It's adjustable. You can have it actually at 55, or you can bring the light down to a low setting, which is only 3.5 luminance. So that's personal preference. They do tell me that this is waterproof. They say you could take it and throw it in the pool, and it can float around in the pool if you wanted to create that kind of a look. That's what it looks like here, how you recharge it. The cable itself, what I like about this is when you take this and you plug it in, if it needs to be recharged, it will light up red. If it's fully charged, then it changes color. I believe it turns blue if it's fully charged. A magnetic charge like this, you just take it, put it up against it, even just come close to it, and it sticks right on it. And this you would put into a regular charging outlet, whether it's on your wall or on a small charging device or whatever. All right, but this is the piece itself. To turn it on, you just press the bottom like that. And if you wanted to change it from high to low or whatever, you just press it, hold it, and it changes color. All right, let me read to you from their web site what it actually says here. This is called an O-bulb. It says innovative tumbler design, 1.5 meter impact resistance, so you can drop it and it won't break. Magnetic bottom. It includes an adhesive metal badge, making it possible to attach to any flat surface. Lightweight, compact. It says it's waterproof, good for pool lights and garden and game partners, whatever that means. It says with a lock mode to avoid power consumption in unknown collision. 3 colors to choose from, and I will put a link down below and you can take a look at it. But you know what? Before we go any further, let's take this thing, let's throw it in water, and let's see if it holds up like they say it will. Okay, let's see what happens. Let's turn it on. And let's see what it does. They also tell me that they will put a link that you can click on, that I get actually a commission if you click on the link and you were to purchase anything, and it'll give you an additional 10% off on non-sale items. So if anything is on sale already, then obviously you won't get that 10% off, but if there's anything that's not on sale, you will be able to get that 10% discount. Now, this, we're going to be very careful how we talk about this, because as you know, certain things cannot be said on the channel, but this is the other item that was sent to me, and this is a laser with it's a laser beam with also a light, a strobe light, and it does a bunch of other things as well. So let's open it up. Let's take a look at it. I did already look at this yesterday, and we'll take a look at it together now. Okay. Okay, this is the item here itself. Okay, now I will tell you this too. It comes with the batteries already in the unit itself. This is obviously just a cover to protect the lens during the shipping. It also comes with a tab underneath the bottom right here that you'll need to lift up this small little tab right on the side right there. It says pull to open. So you just pull this tab down here. It pops open like that. Take this tab out, and this is then trash. And then you just push this closed. We need to open that up, push this closed, flip this up, and that's pretty much it. All right, now this is the unit itself, and it has a slide here that you can attach it to your item. Okay, it has the laser beam through the bottom right here, and it has your regular light through here. Now I'm not going to blind you, hopefully, but I'm going to turn it on and you can see what it looks like. That's the strobe, as you can tell, and as you can see, that's just the regular light. And there is another setting if you want it high or low. What you do is just turn the light to the on position, and then you press this button here or the one on the side here quickly, and it'll actually change to the high or low setting. Okay. And there's also a selector switch down on the very bottom right here. Let me bring it closer. Where you can have just the light, or you could change it to the light as well as the beam, the laser beam, or you can just have just the laser beam if you choose to. These are the controls in the back right here. If you press to one side, you can see, and you can press it from either left or right. It makes no difference. Or you can press it from both sides. It doesn't really matter. But you can see right there. And then this, we're going to turn it to this setting right here. And that setting is the strobe or the light as well as the laser beam. I'll show you again. And again, you can make it lighter or darker. Okay, or we'll turn it off, and you can change it just to the beam itself. Okay. So it looks like it's a fairly easy item to install on your device. This is a rail here that it slides onto. There is also an adjustable screw right inside there to make it tighter or looser as needed. This is the quick release for it right here. You would put it onto your item right here, and you would click this over like that, and you would lock it in place, and then it would be securely tightened on. It also does come with, and I'll show you that too. It does come with the directions as well as the user's manual, and it has it in multiple languages, which doesn't affect us because it's only here in the United States, but it does come with everything, and it's very simple to operate. It comes with another piece right here if you had to attach it to another style item, and it does come with a Allen key like this so that you could adjust the unit up or down, left or right as needed, and that would be right through the bottom right here and right through the side right there. To adjust it, you just take this, put it in here, turn it until you feel it touching, and then you would adjust it up or down, left or right as needed for the item that you put it on. All right, but if this works as well as their their other light that they sent me, the Warrior Pro. This will be very durable, and I'm sure it'll really take a beating. All right, that's pretty much it. I will put a link down below. You can check it out, see what it looks like. And again, this will be on sale as well. I think that, let me tell you for sure. This is called the Balor Pro, and I'm going to read to you exactly what they said here. It's a simple mode switch to select white light, light, and laser, or laser only. It's a 1350 luminance, and it's capable of going 260 meter beam in distance. It says compatible with many devices. It does tell you which ones on the website, but you'll have to take a look at that yourself. And it says quick and easy release. Quickly attach and release the light in seconds. So it will be a quick release as well. All right, I know this is going to be on sale. It says here the Balor Pro is going to be 30% off. And by the time you take a look at this video, it's probably going to be at a 30% discount. So take a look at it and see. If you don't buy it during the time when there's a discount, I will put the link down below. The discount link for me is going to be actually just type in discount code. Is going to be Jimthecarguy, and that'll give you an additional 10% off any non-sale items. All right, so check it out. And my subscribers, just let me know what you think of the light here, as well as the Warrior Pro rechargeable flashlight. That thing takes a beating and is still working good. All right, so keep me posted. Let me know what you think of it. Okay, so this is the device here. I can't wait to finish this video, so I'm going to go and put this on my device to see how it looks and how it actually attaches. And as always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one.